thumbs up the video, and I'll make a tutorial for this actual setup we've got running here. So as you can see, this is our kind of our home screen. We can of course go ahead and lock the device and go to the lock screen here. So this is what it looks like. This is full Android, Android 10 I believe this is running. So you'll see that it is a little bit slow, but it is definitely fast enough to be kind of usable. So we've got this running on Wi-Fi, so we can actually use the internet and things like that. So first things first, you'll see that we can actually go ahead and edit widgets here. So you can see we can actually move these widgets around the screen. We can go ahead and add widgets and things onto the screen as well, which I think is pretty cool. So we go onto widgets. Now, in terms of the applications that come loaded with Android here, it's very minimal. We don't have the kind of the Play Store or anything like that to actually install any kind of extra applications, but you can see here, we can add widgets onto the home screen, which I think is pretty nice. So we've got like a calendar one there. So if we go on to the actual list of apps here, these are all the apps it comes with. So you can see it is kind of bare bones. We do have the ability to send messages, and I don't have a SIM card in this device, but I believe people have been saying that the messaging does actually work. We can in fact do email as well. So you'll see you have the email app here, so you can go ahead and set up your emails. Of course, you'll need to connect to Wi-Fi first, which we've done. So we've got a web viewer as well. So if we go on the web viewer, we should be able to go ahead and do some Google searches. So you can see that I've just done a Google search here. So that's pretty much working as well. Let's see what other applications we've got here. So we've got Signal on here. Looks like the launcher is Open Launcher, which is running on here. We've got contacts, calendars, clock, gallery, and files. So I think overall this is an awesome project. As you can see, this is fully working. We can go onto our little toggles at the top here. So you've got things like do not disturb, auto rotate, low power mode, airplane mode, that kind of thing. What I thought was pretty cool as well is we can actually turn the dark theme on. So we've got the dark mode that you can enable. So something to bear in mind is that like the home button here doesn't work. You have to use the on-screen buttons here to actually get that working. So you can see now this is kind of rocking the dark mode. The settings is pretty, there's a lot here to be honest. So like I say, you can use this to connect to your Wi-Fi. You can do things obviously like you normally do with sound, change the timeout of the screen, battery, change wallpapers, all that kind of thing. So this is just kind of a little bit of a preview of what's to come. Of course, we may see various different OSs now being ported to the iPhone with the check rain jailbreak and with that exploit that they're using for the jailbreak. So if you do, like I say, want a tutorial and you did enjoy this video, please do give this a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.